Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm called Timothy for those ones who have just joined this channel. We had very many videos. When you go back to my channel, you'll get them. So today we are going to talk about Google Form. It may be something new to most people, but it's not really new because it helps a lot of people and it continues to help a lot. Google Form is one of the Google applications. It is actually there to help us to make forms. This form you can use for survey if you have anything you want to survey on. You can also use this form for registration. You can use this form for requesting something from a company or from any organization or from someone. So it's actually a very good form, and today we are going to look at how we can form or we can make a form using this Google form. And below are some of the steps which I want you guys to pay attention to. I'll take you guys through. So you in your PC or in your phone, you can access Google Chrome. When you go to Google Chrome, you go to Google Chrome. At your right upper corner here, you get this form. You have Google applications, they are main here, but when you scroll down you get Google Forms. That is where you are going to click, and once you click that there, it will bring for you this form here which you are seeing in front of the screen. I try to fill this form, but when you reach there you get a title, and for me I put this title as wedding invitation. Like I'm going to form this form for inviting people for let's say for my wedding. So wedding invitation, you can design this, and then you come down here. Yeah, so you can see, like now we are trying to write the wedding organizing team is trying to write here that we are thrilled to invite you to join us on our special day. This is a wedding ceremony for Mr. Timothy and Mrs. Bethany, and below is the wedding details. Now you can even edit the details you want. Like the first one we say here is the date. Of course you need to let people know when it's going to take place. So we have the date of the wedding. We say it is 2nd of November this year, and then the time for the wedding is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and the location of the wedding is what? Gulu University Playground. And then the dressing code, you can as well tell people about the dressing code. Let's say, like for this study purpose, we can say the dressing code is black and red. And then below here you can tell people when to expect this form, because after forming this form, of course you need to send to people you would like to see during your wedding. So after that you come down here where you now start asking questions, okay, for your people to fill in. We have untitled question. Of course you click here, now you can type. The first thing, of course, you like to know the names of the guests you are going to invite. Let's say names. You say the name, and then after writing name, of course name is a short answer question, so it needs a short answer. Sorry. So you can, once you can see it has written short answer, so you come and what? That is done. Now you can put this as optional or as what? Compulsory. Now when you want it to be compulsory, you come here, it is written required, you click under required, so it will make that question to be compulsory, meaning if anyone fails to answer that question or to fill in that option, this form is going to be invalid. So after doing that, you come here, this plus sign, where you are going to add more questions, you click there, so it will bring for you more questions to ask. So you can say you would like to know the sex or the gender of the guest who will be available. The gender, gender is a multiple choice question. So you can first you see it has given you option one here. Of course, option one is what? One is male, isn't it? One is male. So the second one, of course, is what? Female. You can as well as add the third option, which is prefer not to say, but I don't want this because when you come into my wedding, your gender should be clear. You're either a male or a female. You cannot just do that. And also this part, of course, it is a compulsory. So I'll come here and put what? Required. So after putting required, it will make that question to be compulsory, meaning each guest must answer that question. After that, I come and add more questions here. And then the next question can be the email address. The email address. This email address I will also put compulsory. Put required. And then next, to put the telephone number, the phone number. Okay, phone number, of course, is also going to be compulsory. Required, and then you add more questions. So the next question can be maybe any request. Maybe your guest may want to request for something. You put any request or any message. Or message which they would like to pass to you. Of course, this can be a long answer. So you just put that long answer. Of course, it is not optional. I mean, it is not compulsory for each and every guest to answer this question. So you can put as what? Optional. So if you have more questions, you always come here in plus sign and then you click, it will add for you more questions. And then after doing that, you can come and what? Customize your form. So you click here. This one is of course optional, but you can come and choose anything here. Like I want my form to the color to be what? Green. You can see now after clicking green, it has changed the color from white to green. Or you can put as what? Blue. Any color which you think is good for you, you put there. And then also you can come and what? You can come and choose any image for the heading. Like we have here, there are very many. You can choose according to actually this thing can to correspond with what you have. Okay, like mine is going to be a wedding, so I can choose like something like music. Of course, there will be music in the wedding party. So or you can come and select here. We have very many glasses. You can see a lot of options here. Let's choose this as our heading. After clicking that, you insert. It will automatically insert the heading, I mean the image there. Let's go and see. You see now my form is very organized. Now if you want to see this form how it appears, you click there and then you can see this is how my form appears, where it has the heading, the detail of the wedding. Now the questions I would like my guests to answer: their names, their gender, their email addresses, their phone numbers, and any message or any request they would like to give to me. Now, if you think this form is not good, you come and you clear the form here at the bottom right corner here. Or if you think it is good, that's when you come and what? Click here at the left bottom here to submit. So, and then another thing is after doing that, now you can come and send here. There's this option at the left, right upper corner here, which is what? Send. So you click there, send, and then you select the email addresses of all the guests you like to see in your wedding. You can put their addresses here, and then you send this email address to each and every one of them. And at the same time, in the form you have the limit, the deadline of your form to be answered or to be filled. So they will, like for my case here, I put I expect the request to be on 25th of this month, and the wedding is going to be on 2nd of November. So from there, I'll know at least at some point who will attend the wedding and who will not attend the wedding. So this is the brief information I would like to give, and I would like to show you guys when it comes to what Google Form. We shall have more videos on these Google applications, and the next video is probably going to be Google Translations, which I would like you guys to be there to attend the video. And please, these videos you share with your loved ones. If you would like me to know anything, please put under the comment section. That's where I'm going to get. And as well, please like the video. Thanks so much for your time, and you'll get me in the next video. Bye.